It was a cold, rainy night in November. The streets were quiet. Most people were already home, warm and safe. Anna stood alone at the old bus stop. Her phone was dead. She had missed the earlier bus by just 2 minutes. Now she waited for the last bus home. The streetlight above her flickered. On, off, on, off. Suddenly she heard footsteps behind her. Slow, heavy footsteps. Anna turned around. No one was there. She pulled her coat tighter around her and looked down the street. Still no bus, just darkness. Then a man appeared from the shadows. He wore a long coat and a black hat. He didn't say a word. He just stood near the bench, watching her. Anna tried to stay calm. Anna, thinking, maybe he's just waiting for the bus too, right? But something didn't feel right. His eyes didn't move. His face didn't change. It was like he was frozen. Minutes passed. The rain got heavier. The man didn't move. Then, a strange sound came from down the road. Not the sound of a bus. It was a low, deep hum, almost like a whisper in the wind. The man suddenly turned to her and spoke. "Man, you shouldn't be here tonight." Anna's heart jumped. "Anna, why not?" He didn't answer. Instead, he pointed at the street and then walked away into the darkness. Just then, headlights appeared. The bus. Finally! Anna rushed toward it, relieved. But as it got closer, she saw something was wrong. The bus had no driver. It was moving slowly, but there was no one behind the wheel. She stepped back. The bus stopped in front of her. The doors opened with a hiss. Empty seats, flickering lights, cold air pouring out. A voice came from inside. Bus voice, soft and metallic. "Anna, your ride is waiting." She froze. No one had said her name. She turned around to run, but the man in the black hat was gone. Silence. Should she get on the bus? Or run into the night with no phone, no ride, and no help? She had seconds to decide. And that is where the story ends. What would you do?